We will all play a part, both me and you, as we build our very own hot air balloons. We'll gather supplies and make them our own and prepare to take flight into the great unknown. So the book I chose today, The World Needs You to Be Who You Were Made to Be. It's very important that the kids are themselves, authentically them, not just forming into what other people want them to be. The book explains to you that people can build hot air balloons in many different ways. As groups, they can think it out, or they can just wing it. And that's exactly what we did today on our own. So going through the book and showing them all the different options that they can do when creating something is just a different way to spark their imagination. So the activity we did today is we paired a book with Legos. A lot of times I like to pair books with Legos so the kids can use their creativeness and their imagination and see what comes.
I did enjoy the story and the activity. So it was about a whole bunch of kids going to build their own hot air balloon. So they made their own designs. Some of them worked quietly to think it through, and some worked by themselves and talked. If we all work the same, we'll all just get the same answer, and you won't know if you're right or wrong because you have their answer instead of your own.
I felt very inspired to create this parachute, and it was really fun. Even though everybody is different, like everybody can be different, and that's okay. And like even though that you might be like different, like you like art or you like math or you have curly hair or straight hair, doesn't mean that you're better or less than anyone else.
So when we expose our kids to more books and more stories, it exposes them to more words, which then builds their vocabulary. When you compare fun with learning, it boosts everything across the board. I think it's extremely important to promote imagination within a book because they can pick up a book and explore their imagination and build their education without even knowing it. You're one of a kind, and it's so clear to see. The world needs who you were meant to be.